Once you know, you can set a reminder, or you can go to the student directory on the platform and just pick up the student's parents' phone number. It empowers teachers to act. So, 5 days before the exam, what is the best thing that we say before the exam? Practice. Don't start learning new things, probably won't get it. Practice. How do you do practice? You've seen the greens and the oranges now, no more reds remaining. So you want to do practice with mock tests. Remember, we've already created a mock exam. Now we want to do 5 more. 5 more days, 1 day, 1 exam. You've scheduled it so that 1 exam paper goes to every single student on the morning. And you are requiring every single student to send it back in the evening. You can do all of that on the platform. We support 3 kinds of assessments right now. 4 is for whatever you want. You can think it, we can do it. The main 3 that we support you with is revision. I taught this today, go and read this tomorrow. Read this chapter, read this topic, watch this video, all of that. So there's no correction, there's no error. Second is objective tests. These are those check for understanding, CFUs. The ones that you give most frequently. You can do these exams directly from Teacher Connect. You tell us the topics, we'll give you a question, small test. Students can do it on our platform itself, study. You'll get the scores. No need for correction. No need for those stacks of paper that you carry around with you home, back to school, all of that. Third is mock exams. Mock exams give you 2 options. We've seen teachers say that they want it to be done on the platform itself. You do it there. And we've seen some teachers say, no, I want to check it myself. I want to do it. I want to know. In that case, on the platform itself, you just tick a box and the students will be sent a message saying that you have to submit it on the teacher's table the next morning. So it caters to the offline and the online. It's not disrupting your choice. Remember what we talked about in the beginning. Technology is not here to tell you what to do. It is here to help you do what you want to do. Which is why in every stage you will see review. If you want to make any changes, you can. If you want to do it in a certain way, you can. So, final exam is here, everybody is doing it. This is just one example of how the world can be with these kind of platforms. There's one thing that I'm very particular about when I come back to these demos. There's a great joy in when we build these products. And this joy is something that we want people to discover. So we never tell you everything that's there. We'll tell you enough. So you have map curriculum. This means that what you teach in class, which books you use in class, we will use to map the curriculum. That means on our platform, students will be learning in the same way that they will be learning in class, in your books, and at home. So no more of this textbook in school, this book in tuition class, this book at home, all of that, none of that. Study plans, confidence rings, assessments, 3D content in class, games, question paper creation. These are just some of the many things that we offer. And we hope all of this excites you enough that you want to go and explore the rest. So that was the presentation. I'm sorry I couldn't show you all the platforms and everything on this. It would have taken me too much time to go in and out and in and out. But we have these platforms ready. We are very happy that we get the opportunity to show it here. First, as Swamiji mentioned, in the country. And we hope that you will give this a try. And please take this opportunity. We'd love to hear from you. We'd love to hear what are your pain points. What are the things that you've seen technology annoy you with? What are the things that you've seen problematic in your day-to-day that you think technology can help you with? And what are the things that you love and don't like about the solution? Let us know and we'll make it better. Alright? Thank you. Yes, please. Any questions?